Welcome back to Learn with Gravity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create viral AI-powered shorts using a few simple tools. It's a quick and easy process, so let's dive in. First, we'll start by using ChatGPT to create our script. You can enter a prompt like this, create a list that includes motivational self-improvement quotes from different Stoic philosophers, each with a relevant visual idea to use as the background. In seconds, ChatGPT will provide exactly what we need. Let's say you like the fifth quote, for example. From Marcus Aurelius, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. This quote will be the backbone of our motivational short. Now that we have the quote, it's time to create the voiceover. For this, we'll use ElevenLabs. Simply copy and paste your quote into the text box and choose a voice that suits the mood. For this video, I'll go with John Doe as it fits the motivational theme perfectly. Once your voiceover is generated, save it to your device. Next, we need to generate the background image. I used the visual idea provided by ChatGPT and entered it as a prompt into Leonardo AI. Within moments, Leonardo AI will generate a high-quality background image based on the description. It's quick and straightforward. Now that we have the image, it's time to animate it. Head over to Haiper AI, upload the image, and set the video duration to 8 seconds, which will cost 40 coins. Haiper AI will then turn the static image into a smooth animated video. Download the finished video once it's ready. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. For editing, I recommend using CapCut, which is a free tool. Import your animated video and voiceover, and then add some background music and effects to give your short more impact. In just a few minutes, your viral AI-powered short will be ready for posting. And that's it. You now have a viral AI short created using ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, Leonardo AI, Haiper AI, and CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content from Learn with Gravity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.